Are you thinking about buying a new iPad right now? If that idea is even remotely on your mind, it might be time to pause and reconsider, because this is one of those rare moments in the tech cycle where patience can genuinely save you from regret. Right now, it may feel like a good time to buy, especially if your current device is slowing down or starting to feel outdated. But there is a much bigger story unfolding quietly behind the scenes. Apple has been unusually silent lately, with no major events, no flashy announcements, and no obvious updates to its most affordable tablet lineup. That silence might seem harmless on the surface, but in reality, it is a signal that something significant is being prepared. The absence of noise is not because nothing is happening, but because everything is being held back for a strategic reset. For a long time, people have been wondering about the next standard iPad, the one that usually serves as the entry point for millions of users. It is Apple's most accessible and widely used tablet, often chosen by students, families, and casual users who want reliability without spending a fortune. So the delay has raised eyebrows across the tech community. Why would Apple hold back one of its best-selling products for so long? The answer lies in a deliberate shift in direction. Instead of releasing a routine upgrade with minor improvements, Apple appears to be waiting for the right moment to push the base iPad into a completely new era, one that revolves around artificial intelligence and smarter computing experiences. Right now, the current standard iPad sits at a relatively affordable price point and handles everyday tasks just fine. It can browse the web, stream videos, run apps, and manage basic productivity. However, it is powered by older chipsets like the A14 or A16, which, while still capable, are no longer cutting edge. Buying into that hardware today means investing in technology that is already nearing the end of its relevance, especially as software becomes more demanding and AI features become central to the user experience. That is where the upcoming 12th generation iPad changes everything. The new model, expected to arrive around March 2026, is shaping up to be far more than a simple refresh. Instead of following the predictable path of incremental upgrades, Apple is reportedly making a bold leap by equipping the device with the A18 chip. This is a significant jump that goes beyond what most people anticipated. Rather than moving one step forward, Apple is skipping ahead, delivering a level of performance that transforms the expectations for a budget tablet. This is not just about faster app launches or smoother multitasking, although those improvements will certainly be noticeable. The real impact comes from what that level of power enables. With the A18 chip, the base iPad is expected to fully support Apple's next wave of AI-driven features. This marks a turning point where even the most affordable device in the lineup becomes capable of handling advanced on-device intelligence. Tasks that once required cloud processing or higher-end hardware could soon be performed locally, making the experience faster, more private, and more seamless. This shift is part of a broader industry trend, where companies are racing to integrate AI deeply into their ecosystems, and Apple clearly does not want its entry-level device to fall behind. Alongside the new chip, there are strong indications that the upcoming iPad will include 8 GB of RAM, which is a substantial upgrade for this category. In the past, base models often came with limited memory, enough for basic use but not ideal for future-proofing. Increasing the RAM not only improves multitasking, but also ensures that AI features can run efficiently without slowing the device down. It suggests that Apple is thinking long-term, designing this iPad to remain relevant for several years instead of just one upgrade cycle. There are also whispers of additional support chips designed to handle background tasks more efficiently, which could improve battery life while maintaining strong performance. However, this internal transformation does come with trade-offs. While the performance and intelligence of the device are getting a major boost, the external design is expected to remain largely unchanged. Those hoping for a dramatic redesign, slimmer bezels, or premium materials may find themselves disappointed. Apple seems to be prioritizing function over form in this case, keeping the familiar look while investing heavily in what is inside. For many users, this will not be a deal breaker, as the real value of a tablet lies in how well it performs rather than how different it looks. Other aspects of the device are also expected to stay relatively modest. The display will likely remain a standard LCD panel with a 60 Hz refresh rate, meaning it will not have the ultra-smooth scrolling found in higher-end models. The USB-C port will continue to be standard, but with slower transfer speeds compared to Pro devices, maintaining a clear distinction between product tiers. Accessory support will also remain basic, with compatibility for standard Apple Pencil models rather than the more advanced versions with additional features. At first glance, these limitations might seem underwhelming, but they highlight the careful balance Apple is trying to achieve. By keeping costs down in certain areas, the company can deliver exceptional performance at a price that remains accessible. This approach allows the base iPad to offer something that competitors may struggle to match: powerful AI capabilities at a budget-friendly price point. For students, casual users, and anyone looking for a reliable everyday device, this combination could be incredibly appealing. Ultimately, this delay and strategic shift reflect a larger vision. Apple is not just updating a single product, it is redefining the role of the base iPad within its ecosystem. Instead of being seen as a simple or entry-level device, it is becoming a gateway into a smarter, more connected experience powered by AI. This change elevates the importance of the base model, making it a meaningful part of the broader lineup rather than an afterthought. As the expected release window approaches, it becomes increasingly clear why waiting is the smarter choice. Buying an iPad now means settling for older technology just before a major leap forward. Waiting a little longer could give you access to a device that is not only faster but fundamentally more capable, one that is designed for the future rather than the past. The difference between the current generation and what is coming next is not just incremental. It represents a shift in how the device can be used and what it can do for you. So if you are on the verge of making a purchase, it is worth holding off just a bit longer. The upcoming iPad is poised to redefine expectations for its category, offering a blend of power, intelligence, and value that could make it one of the most compelling upgrades in years. Patience in this moment is not just about saving money. It is about making sure that when you do invest, you're getting something that truly feels like a step forward.